So how are you guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to make that viral videos. Which one you ask me a lot of times. So we're gonna start from here. Prof, it's been I already prepared, so I need only this. For the program, I use the free program. It's called iClone 8.4. So first of all, I have this one. So in iClone program, as you can see, so I press on W and you see, right, and I press on R and I they change the size, and after with the red like this, as you see, like this. It's very easy actually. You have to learn first like this. Every video which you see, it seems like easy, but you have to work. It takes hours every day. So once one is ready, we start copying this. How we copy? Before we copy, Control and W, and after pressing the Control 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Look at the visuals. Here some gaps, right? And here some gaps. It's like this. So we need some more. And we go to the scenes. It's a box, right? Box 28. We copy all of them. Press on the E, rotate, and rotation. We rotate like this. As you see on the top, now we have this one, where actually the balls are falling. As you can see, it's already norm. Today's video I'll show how to make this one, and in the next video I'll show which one you want to see. So now we are in the center. And we go to the file, which one I already prepared. This one is a ball. 3D shapes. 3D shapes you can prepare early, like before you start making the video. We make the size smaller, that can be fit in the so that it can be fit in this one, in the hole. So this one, as you can see, it's not bad. The size is true size, it's smaller, and as you can see, these boxes look not straight. So what we do now is we have to make it straight, because it looks not good actually. So for that, again press on each. When you're pressing, you have to make sure that you are pressing the control, because if you don't press the control, it will be not copying all. So now a rotation. Now we check it out. It's still not good, but it's okay for this video, that for my followers it's okay. Hope you can get it and you can make better, you know. For this video I'm just making it very fast, so you have to push it up. On the modify you can see it's a height. As you can see, it's changing while I'm pulling up. 700 is too much, 600 something is okay. Usually I use 600 something. And then on the red line we have to copy. While we will be copying, we have to like press Ctrl 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We copy all 6, turn like this. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see this one. Have to move like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Let's try with 5. Or 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So guys, look at this. Now the visual is ready, as you can see. So in the sense, actually you can copy this all and move like this, and then we have to copy this. We have to copy this like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's make 8 for now, and as much as you want you can choose, while you'll be making the videos. So now everything is ready. Now we have to put the physics on the ball, on the boxes. We choose the boxes. How many boxes? 56 boxes. We choose modify and physics. This turn on the physics. Here we choose dynamic, kinematic, frozen, and static. We need a static for the we need a static for this one, for the boxes, because it's static, it's standing and not moving, you know. And then we go to the balls. We choose the balls like 140. It will be fine because the program will be, you know, closing up. We have to, if physics takes, you know, long time, that's why we choose only half. In here, in the boxes we choose static, but in the balls, because balls are falling, that's why we choose the dynamic. We choose dynamic. Mass, let's say, let it be like 100. Friction will be the 120. Damping will be 140. And here collision merit is 0.1. Let's wait, it's giving the physics. Now it's done. Next is box. Not box, we choose the sphere. Now it's gonna be a sphere. So now it's ready, so we have to choose rest of the balls. All 68, turn on the physics, activate the physics. Now we wait, it's ready. So which one we choose? It was 100 mass, 130 is friction, damping is 140, and collision is 0.01. Wait. Now it's already box, we choose sphere. So guys, now everything is ready. Once everything is ready, we have to go closer and press on the bottom play. As you can see, now it's falling. Now stop. Rest, whatever is didn't fall, we have to choose them. What happened? Choose them and delete. We delete it and we go scenes, choose boxes, modify, activate physics. We have to deactivate physics before we finish it. Done, and rest. Copy it, deactivate. Now it's ready. So it's 8 minutes, right? We have to bring this one here. We remove this and let's begin from the beginning. Boom. Falling. So guys, let's do it like this. So we choose all the balls and move forward a little bit. Now should be good. Doof. Falling. Dropped out. Stop. We made video like for 7 seconds. Now we go to the render. We choose here the the size which one you want. Like if YouTube Shorts, you can choose, for example, 720 or like this, or this one. You have to change the place like this, 108 here. Now it's a shorts, YouTube Shorts, we go like this, closer, like this, and we have to create the camera, linear camera. Remove this one, camera only left. Now everything is ready, so we have to press on play. While these balls are falling here, we have to centralize. Like this, and close the camera and wait for some while. Stop it here, wait like this, and zoom out. So, and then look what we got. Ooh, doom, drop. Now it's far. It's close up, standing, and close back. See guys, like this. This is how we make the videos. It takes lots of time, that's why we have to be patient, do everything correctly, work for quality. Now I will show you, once everything is ready, I will show you how to put the colors. We have to prepare the colors. I already prepared for the for my videos. Let's put green here, apply, and drop the balls. Okay, now back, camera, we change to the preview.